going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert any HEIC or HEIF format image into JPG real quick. Okay, this is a very common situation on iPhone users. For example, you take a picture real quick, you open up that specific picture, tap on I in here, and you'll be able to see that the format is either HEIF or HEIC, which is the common format here used on Apple devices running Apple operating system. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues, and I also share cool tech hacks and fixes. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, this process of converting HEIC files into JPG is pretty simple, and I'm gonna be showing you how to do it here on your phone. Like, you do not need to have a computer in order to do this, okay? Many people might need to have a computer, but this is not the case in today's video. Now, jumping straight into the tutorial, the very first thing to do in here is simply search for the Files app, okay, which is an inbuilt app that comes with your iPhone device. Here we go. We've got files in here. Okay, I've already searched for files, so you can simply search for files. Here we go. Tap on Files, and once you're here on Files, the next thing you want to do is go straight into the Browse section in here on the right. Okay, so once you tap here on Browse, you want to make sure you select On My Phone section. Okay, so you want to jump into the On My Phone section in here, and once you are here, the next thing you want to do is simply create a new folder. Okay, this is a shortcut. It works pretty well, and it's going to help us converting the HEIC format into JPG real quick. Simply tap here on these three dots in here, and then tap on New Folder, right? Now, once you're here, the next thing we're going to be doing is simply write JPEG and then tap on OK, and that specific file will now be created, right? Now, once you've created this specific file, you're going to tap here on JPEG, and then of course you're going to notice that that specific file is empty, right? Simply close it, go straight to your Photos library, and then select the specific image that you wish to convert to JPG. So here we go, we've got this photo that we've taken, and as I've already showed to you guys, it's in HEIF, right? So simply tap here on Share, and then make sure you tap on Save to Files. Okay, so you want to search for Save to Files, and then tap here on Save to Files. Now, you want to navigate to that specific folder that we've created, right? In some specific cases, once you tap on Files, you might be on a specific file. Simply tap on Back to go back, okay? And once you're here on your main menu, you want to tap on My Phone. For example, it could have been the case that when you open folder, you could have been, for example, here. So all you need to do is just go back to the main screen. This is what I meant. Next up, tap on My Phone and select or locate that specific file that we've just created known as JPEG, right? Simply tap on JPEG and then simply tap on Save. You want to save this specific image on that specific folder, right? This is already done. We're going to close our gallery, and then we're going to reopen Files, okay? If you're unable to find it here, simply type in Files once again, tap on Files, and then locate that specific image which is inside on that new folder that we've just created, right? Here we go, we've got the picture, it's right here. It's still in HEIF format. So once we're here, what we're gonna do is simply tap here on this little arrow down here, and then we need to tap on Export, right? So once we tap on Export, we're now going to select the format we wish to export it to. In our case, it's going to be JPEG, right? If you wish to export it in PNG, you can also do it, but let's go with JPEG. And then you can select the size of your image. Whether you want to keep the original size or you want to compress it a bit by reducing the size, you can go with medium or small or even large. I'll be going with original to keep its main size, right? Now, next up, we just need to select the destination where we wish to save our specific file, right? Once again, it could be the case that once you tapped over there, you could have been, for example, on a specific folder. You just need to go back to go to the main screen or main menu in here. Now, next up, let's select again JPEG, which is the same folder, and then tap on save. But before tapping on save, let's just rename the specific file and let's name it as JPEG version. Here we go, boom, tap on save, and then tap on done over here. And then you'll be able to see that you've got two pictures here on that specific folder that we had created, right? So this one is the JPEG version. We're gonna select it once, tap once on it, tap on share here at the inferior left corner. And then once we're done doing that, we're gonna scroll it down, tap on save image. It's gonna save this specific image into our gallery. So once this is done, let's simply minimize by closing the files app, open up photos once again. And as you can see, we've got in here a second picture, which if we tap here on I, we're going to be able to see that it's now in JPEG format right here. So we've got this one in JPEG, and here on the left, we've got other one known as HEIF. Now, of course, HEIF preserves more quality of the image. I don't know if you are able to see, but there's a difference in the brightness when we compare this picture to this picture, right? This one, this one, this one, this one. Because this one preserves a lot of information, and then we can further edit it from here, while this one won't preserve a lot of information. It's already in its final format. That's why Apple keeps their pictures in HEIF or HEIC format. This is the easiest way and fastest way to convert your pictures to JPEG on your phone without need of a computer to actually process this conversion process. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment down below. If you have any doubt throughout the tutorial, please let me know in the comment section so I can get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.